Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Today we're going to be doing my Mail Haul Monday series where we will be unboxing PR packages, new releases, different things like that. And I'm so excited about this video. But before we get started, if you are new to my channel, then hello, welcome. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below so you're notified for future videos from me. I post 3 days a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And also click the bell notification so you're notified as soon as the videos go live. I'm excited to dive in, so let's get started. I feel like I'm grinning from ear to ear right now. Now, before we dive into the unboxings, I cannot remember if I showed this to you guys whenever it was sent to me about a month or so back, but I wanted to mention it really quick because it's been something that I think is such a good multitasker. As you guys know, I have been doing a ton of things lately to save me more time in the day. So for instance, I did get my eyebrows microbladed. I get my touch-up done in a couple weeks and I probably won't have to wear or fill in my brows anymore for videos. I also just got lash extensions. That way I don't have to put lashes on during the day. Saves me a lot of time. And then Dermalogica recently came out with this product. This is the Prisma Protect SPF 30. And this is a 2-in-1 product, which again, saves me a lot of time. I am really on the time saving train now, getting all the minutes of sleep that I can in the morning. But basically, it is a moisturizer and a SPF. So I'm going to read what it says on the back. It is a light activated multitasking moisturizer that provides a broad spectrum defense while preventing future signs of skin damage. It has an intelligent drone technology that is activated by visible light to help boost the skin's natural luminosity, breakthrough antioxidant technology to help protect against pollution, broad spectrum SPF that provides a protection from UV damage, and also it helps maintain an even skin tone, and it has advanced moisture magnets that provide all-day hydration for visibly smooth skin. And again, I just want to mention this really quick because I received it in PR about a month or so ago and I've been using it and I could not remember if I mentioned it to you guys. And since I'm on a time-saving, multitasking type thing right now, I was like, I might as well mention this because it's a 2-for-1 product and I've been loving it. Okay, let's dive into the rest of the packages. This is from Glow Recipe and it says Damn Bright on it. I love Glow Recipe. I've been talking about them a lot recently because I feel like they've been releasing a lot of products. Where are my scissors? Oh, there they are. Let me open this up. Ooh, so it says hashtag Pineapple Bright at Glow Recipe. And this is such a cute little card. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Yes. And I hope it smells like pineapples. Fingers crossed. So this is the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum for brightening and smoothing. And here's what it looks like. The packaging on this is so freaking cute. All of their products are so cute. But they actually work. That's the best part. Ah, it's like a little pineapple. Okay, let's smell it. It comes in a little dropper. Oh, yes, it does smell like pineapple. I'm going to put a little drop on my skin. And it looks like, ooh, yeah. It's like a thicker serum too, which I love. So there, as you can see, the hand without the moisturizer, or the hand without the serum, and the hand with. So let's see what it says. It says glowing glass skin starts with a bright, smooth, and translucent complexion. So reflective, skin appears like glass. And it says Inner Pineapple C Bright Serum, an innovative vitamin C brightening treatment that brightens, exfoliates, and hydrates all in one bottle. New fruit, who this? So that is again from Glow Recipe. And honestly, I've been loving to use serums and also here lately oils. So oils, aren't y'all so proud? I've been using an oil from Kevin Aquan lately whenever I've been doing my foundation. And honestly, I've been obsessed with how it makes my foundation look. It makes it look so less cakey. Why did I not use it before? I am in love with it. So that again is from Glow Recipe. Thank you so much for that package. And we also got 2 packages from Colourpop. Okay, so the first thing, oh, these look so beautiful. Okay, this is their new pigment set. I don't know if it comes in a set like this where you can buy it, but it is their loose pigment. So they came out with 12 different loose pigments. I swear, I feel like Colourpop is just always coming out with so many cool releases. And it says, level up your look with 12 brand new loose pigments, intensely pigmented shade ranges from neon bright to full metallics. Pair it with your favorite setting spray or mix in medium to transform your look from basic to supercharge. Wear them on your eyes, lips, cheeks, or nails to create a look of your own. So again, here are these. So beautiful. It says, we can all use a little extra juju in our lives. Yes, Serum. Everybody coming out with serums. So 4th Ray Beauty Rainfall 2% hyaluronic acid. And it says it instantly drenches skin with hydration, immediately delivering replenishing and plumping benefits for a more bouncy, youthful look. And here is what it looks like. It's in a clear bottle, nice packaging. Let's drop a little bit on the hand. Ooh, this one's kind of sticky. Ooh, yes. Yes. Oh my gosh, that feels so good. Smells good too. It's kind of sticky, which honestly I like whenever I put something on before I put on my foundation, because then it's going to like stick and adhere to the foundation. So thank you so much, Colourpop. It does say it attracts and binds more moisture within the skin. Lightweight and fast absorbing, boosts softness, suppleness. Hyaluronic acid is known to absorb 1,000 times its weight in water. Super cool. Thank you so much to Colourpop for those packages. Okay, next we have a package from Oprah Cosmetics. Ooh, I think these are new. Okay, so the first thing is an eyeliner. It says verified drama proof liquid liner. So I did get eyelash extensions and I do have on liquid liner today, but I feel like I'm so scared I'm gonna like mess up my lashes. Come on. Okay, so here's what it looks like. And it says Oprah verified. Let's do a swatch test. I don't know if this is the best since I have these like liquids all over my hands. Oh yeah, that's pretty bright. I feel like it looks like a felt tip, but then it like has like little hairs of brush strokes, but super duper dark. And you know, I don't even have anything up here to wipe off my hand. Please tell me this is a makeup removing wipe. Score. I always try to keep some of these up here. I need to get some like cheaper ones so that way I'm not wasting my Neutrogena ones. Get those at Costco. Okay, so that's awesome. And then we have a liquid lipstick. This is their eye gel primer. Excuse me. Eye gel primer. I'll definitely have to test this out in a video. I've been loving using a concealer lately instead of my paint pot. I don't know what's gotten into me. It's like I've turned a new leaf on it. And then we have an eyeshadow palette. It says the Signature Palette Radiant Eyes. And it is a 5-pan palette. So here's what the packaging looks like. And then here are these. They're all shimmers. So really pretty. And thank you so much to Oprah for that package. Okay, next we have a package from Stilazzi. And this feels pretty heavy. I feel lots of stuff like jangling around in it. Ooh! Oh my gosh. Lipstick City over here. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to do right now. Okay, so, they sent these different ones. Let's see what we have. I'm not going to swatch them all, but okay, so this is their lip vinyl, and this one is in the shade Sip. This is what it looks like. Ooh, this is pretty. So there is that. A really beautiful color. Okay, so this is their lip vinyl. It says a lip gloss. Okay, but then they have smaller ones, and this one says lip finish. This one is an ultra lip gloss. This one's in the shade Pink Sand. Ooh, oh my goodness. I hope that you can see. Look how beautifully and sparkly. This is literally so pretty and sparkly. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Okay, then they even sent over some lip matte. So this one is called Birthday Suit. I can't believe how many different kind of lip products they have. Ooh, this packaging is really pretty. And ooh, here's what this looks like. This is the shade Birthday Suit, really pretty nude. Then they have some lip sheers. And this one is called Gypsy. Oh, this is a really pretty pinky shade. You can tell, obviously. I always go for the pinks. That one is Gypsy. So thank you so much to Stilazzi for that package. Oh, hold on. I missed this. This is a lip cream. I saw the mattes, I saw the lip sheers, and then the lip creams. I think this one's going to be a little bit of a creamier formula than the matte. That one right here is called Pop Fizz Clink. So again, thank you, Stilazzi. Okay, next two packages came from Oxley. Ooh, yes. So the first one is from Sol de Janeiro. Yay, I'm so excited about this. So this is their Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love their Bum Bum Cream. I have been using it constantly, especially with me doing like self-tan. I've been trying to keep my skin a little bit moisturized. And oh, it smells just like the Bum Bum Cream. So again, this came from Oxley in Sol de Janeiro, but this is going to be so awesome. If you guys have never smelled this, like, go into Sephora and at least smell it because it is so good. It is life-changing good. Thank you so much for that package. And then the next product from Oxley. Ooh, yes. This is from Givenchy, and this is their Hydra Sparkling Mask. I definitely want to try these out. Okay, so it says, a Givenchy innovation. The Sparkling Water Complex is a unique concentrate 5-molecule compound with a 2-fold hydrating and energizing technology that creates a sparkling water within the skin for a dazzling illumination effect. Ooh. And so here's what they look like. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. So it's like a sheet mask, but it comes in a little pack like this where you can actually just like pull this out and pull the mask out. That is really awesome. I will definitely keep you updated on this and let you know how I like it. Thank you so much to Givenchy and Oxley for sending that over. Very next package came from Poke PR. And, ooh, okay, so this is from Pharmacy. It says, our new 100% natural deodorant, and they sent over this little bag too. Oh, they sent over a couple things. Okay, oh, I want to try this. So the first thing they sent over is from Pharmacy. This is all from Pharmacy, and it says Brightening Coconut Gel Sheet Mask. We have their Freshen Up 100% natural deodorant stick. We have a travel size of their Green Clean, which is an amazing makeup melter. And then they also sent over one of their Honey Butter Beeswax Lip Balm. So thank you so much to Pharmacy and Poke PR for that package. Okay, very last package came from Acne Free. And they sent over, ooh, a couple different things. So the first thing they sent over is this 24-hour acne clearing system. Oh, this is gonna be nice. I need to make sure I put this in the bathroom because I literally had this bump on my chin the other day, and I like had an Amazon Prime some spot treatment because I was like, please don't get bigger. So this says oil-free 24-hour acne clearing system. 3 steps, work 24 hours every day. It has a clean, a tone, and a treat. Then we have, oh yes, this is what I needed. This says Swerve Acne Maximum Strength Acne Fighter. Maximum Strength Acne Fighter clears and helps prevent new acne blemishes. And I think this is actually like a spot treatment too. Ooh, yes. And then we have a detox mask. 2 ways to use as a facial cleaner or a purified mask. Then we have this Witch Hazel Mattifying Toner. So thank you so much to Acne Free for that package. Very last package came from Summer Fridays, and they sent over, they have a mini size of their mask. You guys, they finally announced the Sephora sale. I think the Rouge weekend starts the 26th, so definitely check out this if it's available at Sephora, the mini. I love this mask. So this is their jet lag mask, and it is so super hydrating. You actually can put it on really before makeup if you want to, or you can like sleep in it or whatever, and it's really, really hydrating. So thank you so much to Summer Fridays for that package. And you guys, that is going to complete this week's Mail Haul Monday. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And as always, I love you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.